I know most of you don't know who I am, but welcome to my first YouTube video. I just woke up. It is 1 p.m. and excuse my face. This video is going to be so special since it is the first video that I am going to share on YouTube. I'm dyeing my hair black today and I'm doing it by my own. I was gonna dye my hair before quarantine, but this whole thing happened. Oh no, il est decided black, there is no going back. So whether I like it or not, I have to keep it. Am I gonna regret doing this? Maybe. حاجة أخرى. This is not a tutorial, so don't do this at home. I'm not a professional, but I've been watching a lot of videos of people dyeing their hair, going from brown to black, blonde to black, black to blonde, and I think I'm ready to do this by my own. Go get ready now so I can go out. I think غادي نمشي ناخدها من كارفور. بغيت ناخدها من عند المكياج حيت I don't want to ruin my hair. Let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do is then Vaseline all around my forehead and my ears. I'm stupid. I have to put this petal at which section of my hair. What the fuck is happening? Mama, is this okay?
1 hour later.
It's so black. Like, it's so fucking black. Enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be making videos here from now on. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. Goodbye.